Hello everybody and welcome to Joe's BBQ House. Today we're going to do an unboxing video, my first unboxing video. I had a company called Overmont had reached out to me and I went ahead and purchased their products. Here we have a 6-quart Dutch oven and a 9-quart Dutch oven. So let's go ahead and see what they look like. I got some awesome plans of doing some cooks on this. I have not opened these. This is the first time. Wow, they're heavy. Wow. Nice even edge. Very nice. Very, very nice so far. Wow, nice seasoning on these too. I'll get you guys a close up here in a minute. Nice packing job. Oh, cool. Looks like the camp style. I could put my coals underneath. I didn't know that. Got you a nice handle. Oh, don't worry about my table, guys. It's scratched up. I have a bunch of kids in the house. That should explain it all there. And we also have, that came included with this, is the handle. Wow, that's very nice. Okay. Let's go ahead and check out the other one. This one here is much heavier. Get this out. Set this aside. All right. Here is the other one. Go ahead and get it open. Oh yeah, much heavier. So far, I'm really impressed with this, guys. I have a lot of cast iron skillets and pots with lids. I do a lot of cooks on them, but I don't really have any videos out on them yet. Very nice. I'll get you guys a close-up like I said earlier. So I like to look at the rim here to make sure it looks good, and looks really nice. Nice heavy seasoning on here. Go ahead and see what we have here. I'll put a link in the description if you get these on Amazon. Very nice. This is just a styrofoam here, guys. Very nice. And here we have another tool. Okay, now there's an arrow on here, which I am not sure what that is for. I don't see anything that matches. There's another arrow. Maybe one of you guys can comment below on what that arrow is for, which is located right here. I don't know if that's supposed to go, how that's supposed to line up or what, but anyway, maybe you guys can help me with that. This is my first time. I've never used Dutch ovens before, but I'm gonna have fun figuring this out. So here you guys go. You got a 6 quart and a 9 quart. I will get some video footage on this, on the cooks that I'm gonna be doing with them. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do them. My original plan was to do them on the Weber kettle by having the charcoals run underneath this and, you know, put some charcoals here on the top. But that method they have you use by, they have like a coal method that you go by. It's the, like if this is 12 inches across, you multiply that by 2, and then you take away 3 from the bottom, put them on the top. It's something like that. Don't take my word on that. Like I said, I've never put coals on top of a lid before, but I am willing to give this a shot. So yeah, here we go.